In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Etsy Live Chat. We'll walk through the full process on a computer, step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to reach a real support agent through Etsy's chat system. First, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account, then go to your Shop Manager dashboard. You can do this by heading to Etsy's website and clicking on Shop Manager at the top if you're a seller, or navigating to your dashboard from your profile. This is your main control panel for everything related to your shop. Once you're inside the Shop Manager, look for the Help option. You'll usually find this in the sidebar or the lower part of the menu. Go ahead and click on Help. This is going to open up additional support options and resources that Etsy provides. From there, click on Etsy Help Center. This will open the official Help Center in a new page or tab. The Help Center is where Etsy keeps all of its articles on common problems, policies, and how-to guides. On the Help Center page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're looking for a link or button that says Contact Etsy Support. Click on that. This is the entry point to actually reach support, including live chat when it's available. Next, you'll be asked what you need help with. Click on the option that says Buying on Etsy. Even if you're a seller, Etsy often routes a lot of account and order issues through this section, so don't worry if it doesn't sound like a perfect match at first. After that, Etsy will ask you to narrow down your issue. You'll see a list of topics such as problems with an order, payment issues, or other buying related concerns. Click on the option that best matches what you need help with. This helps Etsy suggest relevant help articles and also route you to the right support team. On the next screen, you'll usually need to specify your issue again in a bit more detail. Select the more specific option that matches your situation. Once you do that, Etsy will show you some recommended solutions and articles. If those suggestions don't fix your problem, look for the option that says, I still need help, and click on it. This tells Etsy you want to move beyond self-help articles and actually speak with support. Now you'll see contact methods. When live chat is available for your issue and region, you'll see a Chat with Us option. Click on Chat with Us. After a moment, a chat window will pop up on your screen. You can then type in your question or describe your problem, and an Etsy support agent will join the conversation to assist you in real time.